Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 2 class. So, in the previous video we have already started chapter 6, the magic rap. We have already discussed that there was a secret that the chief's daughter was keeping from her husband about a magic rap. Okay, and she used to take out that rap only once a year, and she never used to forget to chant the spell before touching the rap. Okay, so today we will start what happens next. One day the chief's daughter felt that it was time she aired the rap. So now she felt that today is the time that I will open the rap. She chanted the magic spell under her breath and unlocked the wooden casket. So she chanted the spell and then unlocked the wooden box. Then, carefully lifting up the wrap, she spread it out so the gentle mountain air could blow over it. So it was so beautiful. She lifted the wrap and spread it out so that the breeze would blow over it. Okay. For a while she stood there, unable to tear herself away from the glowing colors. So she was so enchanted with the colors that she forgot. She stood there for a while. She was unable to move from there. And then suddenly she remembered that her husband had asked for a dish of crabs for his midday meal. So all of a sudden she realized that her husband has asked for a dish of crab for the midday meal. So what happened now? Leaving the wrap where it was, she picked up a basket and set out for a nearby stream to look for crabs. So now what happened? She left the wrap as it is. Okay, she didn't put it back in the casket. She left it over there and took a basket and went near to the nearby stream for looking for crabs. Why for the crabs? Because her husband wanted to eat a dish of crabs. As she hurried down the path to the stream, she met her husband. So while she was going towards the stream, whom did she see? Her husband. Okay, he was coming from a visit to the next village. So he was coming from the next village. The chief's daughter told him to keep an eye on the wrap. So what did the chief's daughter said? That you have to keep an eye on the wrap. But she also warned her husband that on no account are you to touch the wrap. So no matter what happens, no matter how much trouble occurs, you are not supposed to touch the wrap. Whom did she warn? Her husband. Not even if rain falls or torrents or hailstorm come down as big as grapes. So no matter whatever come, no matter there is a rainfall or there is a tornado or there is a hailstorm, you are not supposed to touch that wrap. The husband heard her through. Though he didn't think all that fuss over a mere wrap was quite unnecessary. So her husband just listened to her and thought that this was all nonsense. It was not necessary. What is this ordinary wrap has to do? Okay, he did not take the thing seriously. He think that all that fuss over a useless wrap or a ordinary wrap was quite unnecessary. So this was a thinking of her husband. Soon after his wife had left, black thunder clouds gathered in the sky and it began to rain. So as soon as his wife, the chief's daughter, went, what happened? Black thunder clouds gathered in the sky, and what happened? It began to rain. The man got worried. Now what happened? The man was worried that it has started to rain. He called out to his wife as loud as he could. So he cried out loud to call his wife, but the thunder was louder. So since the thunder was louder, the wife could not hear her husband's voice. It completely drowned out his voice. Because of the loud thunder, he was not able to shout loudly and the voice was not heard by his wife. His wife was hurrying home just then, but the path uphill and she could not walk fast enough. So the wife, she did her work and she was trying to come home as fast as possible, but the path was uphill and she was not able to walk as fast enough. Okay, so she was not able to walk fast enough because it was uphill. Okay, she has to go top of the hill, so obviously the walking became slow. Soon the rain turned to hail. So now the rain was into that icy stones. Okay, hail, that icy stones that falls like when it rains, that is called hail. Okay, now the man got really alarmed. So the husband was really worried now, like it was a very dangerous weather, it was hailing. Okay, the rain was very pathetic, the thunder was thundering, okay, louder and louder, so the weather was getting worse. Unless he did something about it quickly, the wrap would be ruined. So now he was worried that the wrap will be ruined. Okay, since the rain was falling, the hailstorm was falling, so the wrap would get ruined. Forgetting all about the warning, he rushed out and grabbed the wrap to whisk it away indoors. So he forgot what his wife said and he just rushed out and grabbed the wrap with his hand and tried to take it on the indoors. Okay, in the indoors. Okay, but oh horrors, now what happened? The moment he touched the wrap, he felt himself changed. So as soon as he touched the wrap, he completely changed. In a flash, he had turned into a large and beautiful male bird. So what had happened? In a flash, like in a fraction of second, he had changed into a large and beautiful bird, while the brightly colored wrap turned into his feathers and tail. So now what has he become? He has become a beautiful bird with a long feathers and tail. Okay, just then his wife came rushing in. So as just what had happened to his wife, sorry, her husband, the wife came rushing in a hurry. Okay, with a cry she caught hold of one end of the wrap. So she shouted and she grabbed one end of the wrap that remained and tried to snatch it away from her husband. So she tried to pull it away from her husband, but the moment she touched it, she turned into a female bird. So as soon as she also touched it, what happened? She turned into a female bird. Okay, what happened? She cried and tried to catch one of the end of the wrap, and as soon as she touched it, she also became a bird, into a female bird. So now what were these two birds? These two became the peacock and the peahen. So you have seen the peacock, it is so beautiful, it has such long feathery tail and it is filled with so much beautiful colors. The man had caught a much larger portion of the magic wrap, that is why the peacock's feathers are far. So since the man caught the larger portion of the magic wrap, so the peacock's feather is much more brightly colored than those of the peahen. Okay, now he has such a gorgeous tail. So the peacock, the male bird, has a more beautiful tail than that of the female bird. Okay, the peacock and peahen flew out of the house. Now they flew out of the house. They went to live among the other birds, now in the forest, now in the fields, looking for grains and tender green shoots to eat. So now they were birds, so they flew out of the house into the forest to look for grains to eat and green shoots. The peacock remains our most beautiful bird. So as we know, peacock is the most beautiful bird, but he is always worried about his feathers. So he always take care of his feathers, always worried about his feathers. When storm clouds gather in the sky and thunder rumbles in the air, the peacock bursts into loud cries. So if you have noticed that when there is storm cloud and thunder rumbling in the air, the peacock starts to make noise. It starts to cry loud. People believe he does this because he is afraid that rain might spoil the gorgeous colors of the feather. So, why does he cry so loudly? People think that he is afraid that the rain would spoil his gorgeous feather, the colorful feather. So, this was all for the explanation of the chapter. Okay. So, now we will discuss the true and false. Okay. The chief and his wife led a very uncomfortable life. So, false. They had a very luxurious life. The chief's daughter was very ugly. False. She was beautiful. The rat had magical powers. Yes, the rat had some magical powers. The man touched the rat because it was so beautiful. False. Why did the man touch the rat? Because he didn't want it to get spoiled by the rain and hail. When the man touched the rat, he turned into a giant. False. He turned into a beautiful bird. So that was all for today's class. I would request you to go through the chapter, learn the word meanings, and that was all for this video. Thank you.